In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendar View on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to set up the calendar view inside your workspace, add tasks directly onto dates, drag existing tasks to schedule them, and fine-tune what you see with helpful filters and display options. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then open the official site and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the project or space where you want your calendar to live. Choosing the right location matters, because the calendar view shows tasks from that specific area, keeping your schedule focused and relevant. At the top of the screen, look for the Views bar and click the plus icon to add a new view. From the menu, select Calendar. If you're asked to name the view, give it a clear, descriptive name and save. You'll now see the calendar view for that location, ready for scheduling. Let's add a task. Click the date where you want it. Type a short, descriptive task name, and click Save. The task appears on that day with a due date set automatically, and you can open it later to add details like assignee, priority, or a description as needed. There are two quick ways to build out your schedule. First, click any date and choose Add Task to create a new item on the spot. Second, if you already have tasks listed on the side, drag and drop them onto a specific date. This instantly assigns the due date, and you can always drag again to reschedule. If you drop a task on the wrong day, just move it. Nothing is locked in. As your calendar fills up, use filters to focus on what matters. Filter by assignee to see each person's workload, by priority to surface urgent items, by status to separate to-dos from in progress or done, and by tags to group related work across lists. You can combine filters to narrow the view without changing any underlying data, which is great for planning meetings, stand-ups, or reporting. Finally, customize the display to fit your workflow. Color code tasks so key categories or priorities stand out. Hide weekends to simplify a standard work week, or show them when deadlines require weekend visibility, and choose whether to show or hide subtasks depending on how much detail you want in the grid. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, navigated to your space, added a calendar view, created tasks, scheduled them by clicking or dragging, and refined the view with filters and display options. You're ready to manage your timeline with clarity and confidence.